welcome back to the channel. We had this sealed container of partials we didn't really know what to do with. One day, I opened it up and it was like a rat's nest of Slinkies. So I plopped down on this floor and got to organizing, not realizing that I created a minefield to our 3D printers. So I moved into my desk, but now I need my workspace back. So I designed and 3D printed a solution from some of the feedback we received in the comments. These partials are getting a new and organized storage rack right here. For the rack, we could make a normal pegboard like this, but this rack is going to be used for one purpose and one purpose only. And that's to hold partials we'll use for test prints. So we're gonna customize it in the true i3DP fashion. After many hours of printing, since we had to print these 3 times, thankfully without any hiccups, it's time to secure the pegs in with hot glue, then put these pieces on the wall and fill them up with the filament partials. Here's a time lapse to show us doing that. And just like that, I got my workspace back. Speaking of which, I got some work to do. So I'm gonna get back to work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.